In this guide, I'll show you how to save money on Nintendo Switch games on Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is go to Nintendo Switch Online on the home menu, then sign into your Nintendo account. Now the trick to this is you want to get a Nintendo Switch Online membership. There is currently a free 7-day trial, and then you want to scroll up to special offers and scroll over, and here you'll find Nintendo Switch game vouchers. Now do bear in mind that these game vouchers cannot be redeemed for Nintendo Switch 2 exclusive games, and you must buy them in pairs up to a maximum of 8, and the vouchers are valid for 1 full year at time of purchase. Now when you go to the Nintendo eShop, you'll be able to see all the games that you can use with these vouchers, and it includes all the biggest titles from the previous generation. Now, for example, you can see it's $132.99 Canadian for these 2 vouchers, and if I were to buy Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom right now on the Nintendo eShop, it cost me $170 before taxes, so right there you can already see savings of about $40 Canadian. So what I recommend you do is price out the games individually on the Nintendo eShop to see how much your savings will be if you get the game vouchers. Now to redeem your game voucher, scroll down from the home menu and go to the Nintendo eShop and sign into your account. And then what you want to do is navigate to your profile icon in the top right corner and select it. From here, scroll over and scroll down, and we're going to go to Redeem Nintendo Switch Game Voucher, and this will bring you to the game catalog, where you'll be able to redeem the game voucher. And once you find the game that you want to redeem, you can simply select it, and then you'll have the option to continue on the right, and then scroll down and just select Redeem. Then after a few moments, it's going to be purchased, so I'm going to close out now, and then give it a few seconds, and you'll get your virtual game card and press OK, and then it'll be added to your Switch or Switch 2. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.